Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your mobile data not working on your Samsung phone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is pull down that top menu and put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it off. It does a quick network refresh to make sure your network has no issues. The next thing you want to do is go over to your settings and then go to connections. And from connections here, you're going to go to data usage. And from data usage, you want to make sure mobile data is turned on. If it is turned on, just go ahead and turn it off for a moment and then turn it back on as well. Sometimes if you have data saver on, you may need to turn this setting off. It could limit your data usage. So go ahead and try that as well. Now you're going to go back again, and this time we're going to go to basically mobile networks here. In the mobile networks, you're going to look for access point and make sure you have access point selected. If you don't, go ahead and select it. Also, additionally, you may see a reset to default option. You can also do that as well if that is possible. And now you also want to make sure things like if you have 5G that you want, make sure it is turned on, and then these options are turned on as well. And then mobile network operators, you're going to make sure it's set automatically. Turn it off for a moment and then turn it back on as well. But ideally, this should be set automatic as well. And then you're going to go ahead and go back as well. Finally, you're going to take a look at your actual mobile networks here. Let's go back here to SIM manager this time, and then make sure you have mobile data selected with the either SIM card that you're trying to use as well, and make sure your SIM card is turned on. Now moving on to another thing you want to do is that if you actually have a physical SIM card, you can go ahead and take that SIM card out using a SIM ejector tool or paper clip or earring piece. The SIM tray is usually at the bottom or the top. Just take the pin, go ahead and pop it out for a moment, and then pull out the SIM card. Make sure the SIM card is in good shape, it's not damaged, broken, or anything like that, and go ahead and insert it back in the same spot. Make sure it sits flush. And when you do that, the phone may need you to restart. So you're going to restart. You can do that by using the volume down and the side button at the same time. Click on restart, or just pull down the top menu, click on the power icon, and restart as well. Now, once you have restarted the phone, the next thing you're going to go ahead and do is go ahead into your setting this time. Now, once you get back into your setting, you're going to look for a general management. And then general management, you're going to click on reset. And then you're going to look for this option that says reset mobile network setting. You're going to tap on that and reset mobile network setting. Go ahead and enter your PIN or passcode. And after that, it will reset your mobile network setting. It will not delete your data, but a really important step for you to go ahead and do. Now, finally, if you did all of this and it is not working, it could be actual issue with your phone carrier. So you need to contact them to verify that your account is in good standing. They don't have to do anything. Sometimes they have to sync or send an update for your phone and such, and you want to make sure everything is clear on your account. Finally, the last thing you want to do on your phone, if you did that as well, is in your settings, make sure you're connected to the internet, because we need to update the phone software. By going to your setting, you're going to go to software update and check for update. If there is an update, go ahead and update your phone to the latest version to ensure it's not a software issue. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.